wish to see you in the finals.
See, the dancers are a lot closer if there's no bonuses.
We don't get to tell us twice. Yeah. I know. If there's call bracket and the vocals, I know.
It's a free for all. Do as many of these moves as you can.
This takes up too much time in the song.
It just seems wrong because they don't know anything.
Girls like itchy like you want.
I really want to do it.
You can go ahead and do it if you want to. We'll take it out of your score anyway.
Is it over? This is like the end of the song.
It's almost. What's Anya's score? Oh, they're pretty close. Dang. You just need a flawless. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's gonna be. Oh! Close! Oh my gosh. This is the closest one so far.
Damn.
Oh.
Some fools just gotta learn how to